It's good afternoon to everybody. Welcome to the moot court class. Please read what I put on the screen. Just unmute and read what I put on the screen. Yeah, there is a breaking voice
Good
is
afternoon,
there.
sir.
Good afternoon. Please read what I posted on the screen.
Signs and symbols generally used in writing English language.
Yes, because today while I was collecting it that I found these are the signs and symbol. And you know this is the first one is
Ampersand.
yes, that is equivalent is and the second one is
Asterisk.
asterisk that it shows the annotation or footnote. Next is
At sign.
yeah, that is then accounting or you say 2 pence at the rate of $3 that is equal to $6. Next sign?
Dot.
No, it is not dot, it is not a full stop, it is a bullet.
Period.
Bullet
Yes, sir. Bullet.
would shows the different items list. Next,
Next, five.
cent,
Cent.
100.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
C,
sir.
that is a C
Copyright.
with the right. No, this is the next is C within circle is copyright. Next,
Next, అది తెలియదు సార్ అది
dagger.
డాగర్.
DAGGR dagger. It also shows the footnote or annotation. Suppose one asterisk is put is there. If there are the two authors are there, for first author you put the asterisk, then you put it down the description of that author. In the second author, which is said to be the joint author or co-author, you can put the dagger, and the dagger again you can give the second or the co-author or the joint author full particulars. Yes, there is a double dagger also there. And if you want to show some more things extra, in addition to the asterisk and dagger and the double dagger. Next, 5 degrees, 7 degrees, 10 degrees. Degrees, sign. Are you following me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next,
Sir.
next.
Inverted commas, sir.
Dollars. This one I am speaking, which I highlighted. Ditto.
That is inverted commas, sir.
Ditto.
Ditto. Yes, sir.
DITTO.
Sir, ditto.
Whatever the
Same
written,
as.
same as whatever the written above, the same thing will
Same
be
as.
applicable down. Next is the dollar. Next. After dollar, what is that? If you know it, tell me. If you don't know it, you can pass on. You can tell me.
Hashtag, sir.
No, hash. HASH, hash. Number 1. Number 2, number. Number 3, pound. We can say hash, number, and pound symbol. Of course, they use pound is different symbol is there, but still the people use it as a pound. Next. Percent. Next.
Next, that one, apostrophe.
No. It's a prime, single prime. The single prime will be shown when there is a feet, 6 feet height. Single prime, 6 after, yes, then this is written feet. Then double prime, inches.
Yes, sir.
Double prime,
inches.
Next,
inches.
Yes, next.
Registered trademark.
Registered.
Trademark.
Not trademark, registered, that is. Of course, sign or symbol. Next.
Yes, sir.
Mathematical sign.
Therefore.
Next.
Therefore, sir.
Next, I said.
Because.
Good. I appreciate.
Because.
Next,
Because
I say this one.
inverted commas, sir.
Is it inverted comma?
Inverted commas, sir.
No. Is it inverted comma? I will magnify it. Just say before. Is it inverted comma? Is it tilde?
Maybe similar to that.
No. Tilde.
Similar, sir.
TILDE. Approximately. Approximately. He born approximately
Yes, sir.
200
Yes, sir.
AD. 4 BC. What is this one?
Hmm.
TM.
Trademark.
Yes. These are the
Trademark.
symbols. These are the signs. We use it while you're using the English language. So that is the purpose. I said you don't miss my class and you miss my many things. See, that is the one of the example which I cited before. So in my yesterday class, I was dealing with the moot court 2, and where I discussed up to the facts. How the facts, and I think, yes, up to the facts are issues. No, up to the facts it seems. Yeah. So, whenever you give the facts, generally in the moot proposition, we give the facts in this manner. See, this is the facts in paragraph that we will give in this manner. In the last, what we say, submit the written memorial on behalf of the petitioner, virgule, appellant, and both the sides we can say the respondent or respondent, because the petitioner, here we can say the answer who is going to give is the respondent. If you say the appellant, the answer who is going to give is the respondent, we can say. And here for the hints I given the statement of the issues. Yes, up to the issues I did it. Statement of the issues are concerned, and here I made the 4 issues generally, but some of the issues are very close to another, means interwoven also we can say. And here the issues I made it because you make one issue, you make 2 issue, and there is no uniformity would be there. That is why the examiner itself will give the number of the issues. Here I give the issues because yesterday I gave in my YouTube the total description about the facts of the case. Now here in the statement of the issues, I repeat it, whether the husband make a ground of desertion for, not desertion, it is not desertion, actually not desertion. It is desertion, spelling D-E, small d, S-T-A-A-T-O-N, I think, desertion, let me see, and desperation, desertation, no, desertation. Yeah, this is a desertation,
No,
but that
no
is the
A, sir.
desertation is different. Desert means D-E-S-E-R-T. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. This is the ground for the desert, and which can comes in the section.
ION, sir. Next
Yeah,
ION.
let us see. Yeah, if you say the desertion, as I say, TION, is it not? Yeah, now it is correct.
Yes,
The
sir.
ground for the desertion for more than 2 years. So that 2 years now means in the middle, if there is a BBC, then we cannot say it's more than 2 years. After 3 months BBC, body to body contact, there is a sexual intercourse, or after the 6 months the BBC, or 1 year BBC, or 15, what I say, but 1 year later the BBC, then we cannot say the 2 years. They say the consecutive 2 years means continuous desertion for the 2 years. That is the reason that we can make it out 2 years consecutively to seek or get divorce under section 13 subsection 1 clause small Roman 1 small b, and that is the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955, and a mutual divorce. And if he wants to get the mutual divorce, that is under the section 13 capital B subsection 1 of the HMA 1955. What is this HMA? Yes,
Hindu Marriage Act.
Hindu Marriage Act. That is the first issue. Then the second issue is whether I'd say whether the Hindu husband married under the Hindu law by embracing Islam can solemnize second marriage, changing his religion to Islam and changing the second wife also to be in Islam, whether such a marriage is a valid marriage. Then the question comes over there. Here we are arguing, suppose if we are arguing on behalf of the petitioner or the appellant. Here the petitioner and appellant both are wife. So how do you do it for this issue? I mean for this point or for this charge? We generally say when we are arguing from the petitioner say if a Hindu married in the beginning as per the Hindu religious rites for the Hindu wife, that is the first wife, at that instance, without her consent, she should not supposed to change the religion, number one. Number two, if he changes the religion without her consent and for getting to marry the another lady by changing her also into the another religion, that is Islam, that means the both the first the husband changes to the Islam, then the second lady and to who is also a Hindu and perhaps in this case is a divorcee having the two kids, two children. Why do you say love is blind? Anyone? If you know, you give me the answer. If you don't know, you
No,
say
sir.
pass
No,
on.
don't know.
Love is the blind because they
Pass on.
say, you see through my eyes, she is such a beautiful lady. Even she is having the kid also doesn't matter because when I love her kids also. So, having the two children, of course, the first wife, there is no clearly mention whether he is having the child or not. And having the divorcee, having the two childs, and that her name is Vinita, but the Vinita he changed it to the Hanna Begum, then she married. He married. At that instance, when you are arguing on behalf of the petitioner, we can say that he cannot change it without the concept of the first wife, number one. Number two, when the first wife is alive, he cannot go for the second
Marriage.
marriage or ceremony of the marriage. We can say the both. Because when you say the first wife is alive, second marriage is void generally. Are you following me? So that's why we better say when you go for the second ceremony of the marriage, at the time, even the second ceremony of the marriage or the second marriage is the both of the void because first wife is
Alive.
and the marriage relationship is
Alive.
not dissolved. That is the appropriate part. So here when the second issue is concerned, you have to argue say that it is the bigamy 494. Number one, the second marriage is a void marriage. The reason is the valid first wife is alive. So that's why we can argue in that way when you are arguing on behalf of the petitioner or the appellant. Next, the third question, the third point is, or the third charge is, or the third issue is, whether such a marriage without having the first marriage dissolved under any law time being applicable or in force would be valid marriage when the first wife was continued to be Hindu and she would not want to change from the Hindu to the Muslim religion on the request of her husband, then the first wife is having the valid ground for the conversion of her husband to seek divorce, not under the section 312 or not, to seek the divorce or not under the section 13, subsection 1, class 2 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. So when you are arguing on the behalf of the petitioner or the appellant, definitely we can say that when the first wife is alive and the husband should not supposed to go for the another marriage by conversion. Is it a conversion? Is it a renunciation? Yes?
Conversion, sir.
Then what is renunciation?
Leaving worldly matters, sir.
Like Vemana,
Leaving a total. Yes, sir.
సన్యాసి పుచ్చుకోవడం అని అంటారు దాన్ని.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 31, that is the 13, subsection 1 of the class 2 of the Hindi Marriage Act. Wherever the conversion is there by any spouse, the another spouse is having a ground for seeking the divorce. Because earlier divorce is not possible. First legal separation, next divorce. Even now also, if you want to take the divorce, even by the mutual consent, minimum 6 months is needed. Even more than that also. Because sometimes they will see that after sometimes their anger is cooled down, they want to reconcile. That is the reason they lead it from 6 months to 18, because generally the time. But when a marriage is conducted within 1 year, there is no question of filing a case as a judicial separation or even the divorce. At least they say live at least 1 year, because you don't know, you are now you are having the what is the young blood. That's why that you don't know what is what their children, what your parents did is right or wrong. You cannot imagine it now, and you can imagine later part. Now you tell me whether the love marriages are successful, whether the arranged marriages are successful. Sir, it is a debatable question, sir. But the majority of them, yes,
Failure, sir. Love
what
marriages
failure?
are failures, sir.
Majority
Love
of them
marriages
love marriages are failure marriages. The reason behind it like this: see, parents know kulamu, gotramu, status, their hygienity, their heredity, and their planning, the way of life, and everything. They will count it and they will decide it. Perhaps my daughter, my son will be the suitable in this area, because compatibility is very much important factor. So this compatibility is not there. Naturally, there is a repercussion. A strange relation should be there. Number one. Number two, the psychology of the person. See, suppose the wife is having the capitalistic mind, or the husband is having a socialistic mind. At that instance, the husband say, "Let us go in the public transport," but the wife says,
by private vehicles, sir.
private vehicle, or either auto or a taxi or the helicopter, if it is such a thing would be there where it is available. So attitude is different. There is a conflict of thoughts there. It is not the dispute of thought. There is a conflict of, see, dispute is different and conflict is different.
Yes, sir.
The disputes of the thought would be there, we can say conflict of thought. But the dispute generally comes land disputes. Of course, sometimes dispute also comes over there, whether the vegetable biryani we should have to eat, or the mutton biryani, or the chicken biryani, or pork biryani, or a veal biryani, or a beef biryani we should have to eat. Yes. So, can you say it's a dispute, or can you say conflict? Better you say the conflict of eating, the taste. Is it? Don't say the dispute. Dispute generally in a different matter, which is a very much legal in nature. When you come to the matter of the taste is concerned or eating is concerned, there would be a conflict of things would be there, because somebody says that the proteins are more in the beef, but the another say no, I like chicken because chicken is very easy and delicious. But if you see the scientifically, proteins are more in, yes.
No, don't know, sir.
Yes, proteins are more, at least 16% is there to me, because it is having the 4 or 5% chicken, and mutton is having some 10 or 9 or 10%, and the highest protein is the beef. But in another sense, the other say that the pork is having the more protein than the beef also. What they said. But anyway, it is a conflict of opinion, a conflict of thoughts would be there, because eating habit of a person and the faith of a person is concerned. So now let us see that this is the one thing where the Muslim requests the husband to change her religion, and they say the wife will not change the religion, and they say that you want to stick to her own religion. At that instant, the husband conversion it, then it is a ground for the wife to get it, the divorce or the even the maintenance also. So that's why when you are arguing, you can argue in that way. Then whether the husband would be guilty of the offense under the 494 bigamy of the Indian Penal Code IPC when he solemnized his second marriage by converting to Islam. So when you are arguing on behalf of the appellant, what do you say? If you don't know, say pass on. I will give the answer.
Don't know, sir.
See, when you are arguing on behalf of the appellant, means wife, what do you say? Husband is committed a 494 or not committed the 494?
Committed, sir.
When you are arguing on behalf of the wife, then you can say that the husband committed the 494. But when you are arguing, because the case is writ petition, this is. The case is writ petition. So writ petition is there. They challenge only the, if it is the High Court, they challenge only the,
Public,
not public number one office or the government.
yes, sir.
What is the government of the state? What is the government of the state?
Court,
State of Telangana. Number one, if it is a central, sir, central government. Can you say central
of
government?
India. Central government of India, sir.
Can you say such a thing? The party name is there. Anywhere did you see central government of India or Modi
No,
government
sir. No, sir.
or president government?
No, sir.
Then what is there? The title. What is the title? Suppose if you want to sue the central government, how do you sue it?
Article 32, sir.
Yes, that's sue it. What do you name the parties? Parties. See, if you know it, tell me. If you don't know it, say pass on. I will give the answer.
Don't know, sir. Pass on.
Union of India. Union Carbide versus Union of India. What is Union Carbide?
It is a Bhopal gas.
Bhopal gas. What the Union of Carbide will produce? Manufactures pesticide, insecticide,
Sir.
even batteries, fertilizers, battery.
Yes, sir.
Torchlight battery every day.
Carbide.
Union Carbide will manufacture it.
Yes,
so here they say definitely that from the appellant side or petitioner side, if the husband goes for the second marriage, then they have committed a bigamy because first marriage is not dissolved, number one. Number two, first wife is alive. So that is the argument that we can make it out in the fourth issue. So now, question comes over there. On behalf of whom that you are making the memorials, means writing the memorials, or on behalf of whom that you are defending. Depending upon that nature, the issues will be changing. Okay, now you tell me fourth issue. Suppose, because she has filed the case against the Union of India. So Union of India will try to defend to whom? Respondent side. And the Union of India will say that here, what? It is not a bigamy. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
The reason is, every person having a right to change the religion as per the article of the Constitution. So he changed the religion. And he also made the other party to whom that he is going to marry also into the same religion.
Yes, sir.
Especially here in the Islam or Muslim. At that instance, they can go for the marriage. But you may ask me, sir, what about the first wife? And here in the case law that I told you, the first wife is deserted him consecutively more than 2 years because of the strange relations between them. So this fellow is asked several times, please come for the BBC or for our house where I am staying over there. But she said no, and she would be happy with the parents. When she is happy with the parents, why should you have to go for the marriage? And such a woman or a man should not supposed to marry when there is no understanding between them or when there is no compromise between them. Let them be alone. Better spoiling somebody's life. So the question, fourth one comes over here. The Union of India tried to defend it. See, he is having every right to change the religion and make the others to change the religion and got it married because both are the Muslims. Because the Muslims at the given point of time can hold how many?
4, sir.
4 at a given point
4
of
is
time. Is it a theoretical or is it a practical?
theoretical, sir.
It is
Both
a
theoretical and
theoretical
practical.
because now 1 is equivalent to more than 4. So it is only the theoretical, practical will not be there. Practical would be there only in the good olden days. Even your grandfather also doesn't have the 2. But my grandfather is having, yes, I heard that having the 2 side from mother's side. But other people, there is no question of having, not question. They don't dream to have the second
Wife.
wife.
Wife. Married.
Under the
Wife.
Muslim law, if he is a Muslim. So now the question comes over there, he can marry. What about the first wife? He said, he asked several times to come and let us see in the same roof. And if you want, I can change your name also because I am financially, biologically, mentally, socially, economically, in all means I am fit enough and I can handle both of you. If you don't want to stay together in one room, okay, I will make it. Another is Pedallu, another is Chinna Illu. Pedallu to whom? A big
First
house
wife.
to whom?
First wife.
First wife. Because the priority would be there. And the small house is for the second wife. Because the first wife is big, hence the big house. And the second wife is a small, and hence the small house. Compatibility is there. Now the question comes over there. If she denies to be change the religion, at that instance, it is her fate. She wants, she can take the divorce, or she wants, let us take the mutual divorce. So mutual divorce section is different. That is section 3, capital B, and subsection 2, small Roman. If I not be mistaken. Yes, they can't go for it. If they are really educated and enough, so better you can lead your own life. Let me have my own life. So better we'll go for the mutual consent of the divorce. Then they file it and they will see that no complication. And if he wants, he can go for somebody else. If she wants, she can go for the old or the ex lover or anyone and to whom she wants. But the question is here, from whom that you are arguing. So in the Union of India, if you are arguing on behalf of it, at the time you can say that it is not a bigamy because we can have every right to change the religion and make the others to change it to make a valid marriage. For instance, you take Dharmendra married Hema Malini. But Dharmendra is having already her wife in Punjab, if I am not mistaken. But how does he marry? That means Dharmendra, he changed his name to to Muslim. So he changed the religion and her name also, some Aisha Bibi, they changed it. Whose name?
First wife name.
Not first husband. Here I am speaking about the Dharmendra. I am speaking about the Hema Malini. The Hema Malini is changed to the Aisha Bibi and they changed both of them into the Islamic religion or Muslim
Islam.
religion and a Muslim, and they got married and having the I think 1 or 2 child also, daughter, I think. But still it is going on well. Nobody will bother about it. Why other people bother it? Because first wife is said, okay, no matter, because you are taking care of me, it is enough. And the 2 children, they are taking care of me, that is more than enough. And moreover, if you go also, go for 1 or 2 days, but the rest of the other days that you stay with me. So, unless until there is nobody who knocks the door of the court, even the son Sunnydale or the Bobby Dale, they are not worried about it. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
At that instance, there is no question of any filing the case would be there. But if you want to see the another celebrity that you know, Nawab Patodi, have you heard his name? Cricketer.
Yes, sir.
And whom she married?
Sharmila Thakur.
Sharmila Thakur
Sharmila
is
Thakur.
there. She is a Calcutta girl. But he changed her name to again another. Then she married it. What about her son? Their son, Patodi and Sharmila Thakur's son. Sir, we don't know. Just tell me. If you know it, you tell me. If you not, say, Hassan sir, I will give the answer.
Pasan, sir.
Saif Ali Khan. He is the son of whom? Mansoor. Tiger Mansoor Patodi and Sharmila Thakur. And he married
Saif Ali Khan married Kareena
no,
Kapoor.
Kareena Kapoor. What type of the marriage it is? Whether he changed the religion? Answer no.
Both are Muslims, sir.
No. Kareena Kapoor is not a Muslim. It's the Kapoor family people. And Saif Ali Khan is a Muslim. Under the Special Marriage Act, the Special Marriage Act doesn't see what is the caste and creed. They only see if they both are Indians or not. They is married under the Special Marriage Act. Of course, there are many celebrities would be there. Either they changed the religion and they married it. For instance, you take, I don't know whether you, Subramania Swami, daughter, do you know?
Don't know, sir.
She is married
Indira
to
Gandhi, Rajiv.
she is married to a Muslim, and now she is a Muslim, and canvassing Muslim religion, prophecy, and reading the Quran and Hadith. Are you following me?
What
And
is
when
her
the
name?
Subramania Swami is purely
Brahmin.
Brahmin and belong to which tag? Tag.
Hindu.
Yes, party. BJP.
Yes, sir.
So now they are completely different. See, the school of thought. It's a conflict of opinion. It's a dispute, not a dispute. It's a conflict of thinking. Because everyone is having the right way of thinking. For instance, if you take, of course, there are many people there from changing from the Hinduism to the Muslim, from the Muslim to the Hinduism. So one can have such a right.
Yes, sir.
Because Constitution provided. If you want, you can change your name. Yes, you can change your name. Change your religion. Yes, you can change your religion. And if you want to change your citizenship, yes, you can change your citizenship. Provided the other country is going to give the citizenship to you and fulfill the conditions. Are you following me?
Following, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. But my case is, I born in India and die in India. But I may go somewhere, but I work over there, then come back. So now still 5 minutes are left over there. Then I would like to say, what is the difficulty that you are having not to write the memorial for the first moot proposition number 1? Please tell me. What is your difficulty in not writing the memorial? Where is the difficulty is coming? Sir, we did not understand. You ask me, I will repeat it. Sir, you repeat it, but still we did not understand it. Why you did not understand it if you want to repeat it? Because I am giving you the total thing. what to do and what not to do. But still, why you are in such a mood to say that we did not understand? Tell me your problem so that I can solve your problem. With that, if anybody is having the similar problem, and for them also it is a lesson and it is a answer to them. You tell me, what is the difficult, sir? No time. Sir, children are there and I will be busy in another activity. Sir, you have to do the research. I say, you do the research of your own. Or you can use the same case law which I am using. Sir, I don't know. No, it is very much clear, visible in the, because I shared the on the screen. And it will be visible what case law that I cited. Is it or not? Please give me the answer.
Yes, sir.
Then why don't you start it? Sir, starting trouble, sir. Okay, I will push you from the back. Tell me, what is the problem that you do have it? Why you are not writing the own memorial? See, there are 100 cases are there for one issue. Research is needed. Sometimes very needed. It's not only 2 hours is enough. For each issue, you take the 2 cases. For each issue, you take the 2 cases, either favorable, not favorable, then you say that because it is not favorable, hence it cannot be applied. If you did not find the direct case law. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
You can mild it. You can say, yes, this is the case law which is not suitable because the facts of the case is different and the judgment is different, and hence we cannot say that it is the amount to the it is amount to the bigamy, or it is amount to the illegal marriage, or it is amount to whatever it may be. Only two cases you can add it. At least one section would be there, or 2 sections would be there, or any maxim would be there. If it is there, you can add it or not. If that 2 or 3, 3 means 3 into 2, 6. Yes, enough. Not necessarily that you can add the 9. But if you add the 9, 10, for each issue 3 or 4 or 5, then naturally you will fetch the good marks. In the memorials also. When you are submitting the moot competition, if it is suitable cases are there, naturally, because they also mention at least cases, roughly 38 to 40 or 45 cases. I am speaking only one memorial, one side memorial. 38 to 40 or 30 to 40 cases should be there. But I cited only some 12 or 13 cases. You can make it only 6 cases enough. If there are 3 issues are there. If the 4 issues are there, yes, you can make it 4 into 2 at the rate 8 cases is enough. Tell me that why do you if you don't know what the cases should be cited over there, you can use my case and again the same thing that you can use it, but change the explanation, it's enough. Yes, tell me any other difficulty?
No, sir.
Then why you are not written the memorial from the any one of the site and posted to my email? Sir, we are thinking and we are saying tomorrow, and the tomorrow never comes. See, so long that you are standing or sitting or laying on the shore of the river or a bank or a pond or a lake, you cannot learn the swimming. When you learn the swimming,
Jumping into the water.
if
After
you
jumping into
yeah, you first jump or somebody has to throw you in the water. Either it's a shallow water or deep water, doesn't matter. And definitely, and you will not die because the person who has pushed it, he will jump definitely. If you are, if you really you are swallowing the water, then he will push you to the side. But I will tell you that yes, you try to keep your leg like this and hands like this because theoretically that you do have the knowledge